Yeah, this morning I stopped in this spot because yeah, there was a rain. Yeah, when I left the house there is no rain, and then suddenly when I reached this place there is a rain. So I stopped and put my raincoat, my rain jacket, and my rain trouser. There was a rain during the time that I was working. It's good that it stopped this time. Oh, these people. Long time I've never seen these people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good. In the night when I am going home, I was passing on the highway, on the road, and I see some lights in here. It means that there are some people staying in the car. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Oh, there's a scooter behind me. See? Eh. Yes, I'm on my way. Yeah, electric scooter. I cannot do that. That's dangerous for me. There is like islands there, like a shallow water on the middle of the sea. Yeah. You know the temperature. I mean the weather is back to normal. It is hot like this. It's still summer here in Australia. Back to normal. Blue sky, blue water. Yesterday and the previous days, actually last week, the previous days, it was really cloudy and rainy. Good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. I'm already here. I've been driving very slow, relaxed, easy, lazy actually. Yeah, I'm lazy. When I was singing along with the music, it's just like this. Tell me what to say before you throw it all away. Not all out like the usual one. You want to go alone. Yes. When I'm not lazy, I sing like that. All out. Yeah, but this time I feel lazy. Maybe I'm tired. I need to go home. I don't know. Really hot. Yeah, we go first inside. Yeah, I got this potato and some other thing in my backpack. Yeah, we got home. It's a little hot outside actually, but when I was leaving the hotel, I said to Kurt, I'm going home. Yeah, I said, oh nice, Robbie. Outside is sunny, really nice, not very hot. Oh, before going to work this morning, I saw this cockroach flying, so I spray with the I spray it with the poison. What is that? Insecticide. And until now, it's still alive. It's still kicking. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to eat. It's empty. It smells bad. Spoil. I'm just going to fry this. I don't have oil. Oh, margarine. I fry it with the margarine. Oh, just nice. Nice color. good afternoon, guys. We're just going to bike around, go to the grocery later. Yeah. Afternoon. Yeah, that guy is having a hard time, difficulties to get up here, but he made it. He maybe is around 60, 70 years old, who is strong because he's biking. Yeah, bike is good for your health. Bike will keep you fit. Can you imagine going up there is difficult if you're not using electric bike? We are going to eat first in this expensive restaurant. A lot of people, I was not expecting that. They are very busy. I mean, there's so much people eating outside, so yeah, they are busy. And I don't want to wait for a long time for the food. So we look for another restaurant. Yeah, they're doing some improvements still in here. Look, too much flies in there. When I checked the weather a while ago, it says that there is a 20% chance of rain. I always do bike like this. Yeah, relax and easy, singing along with the music. That's what I do. And if you notice, I have a coffee here. Yeah, before leaving the house, I made that coffee. We are here. We're going to take this opportunity to go to the medical center, to the Tomari Community Hospital, because I need to pay for the x-ray that they did to me last time. If you remember, I had an injury, leg injury. Before coming here, I checked the website, my health insurance website, the Bupa. I check if I can reimburse the money that I am going to pay here. And yeah, there is instruction. Okay, so the x-ray is actually a different company. Yeah, they said they don't accept the payment for that x-ray. I need to go to the Salamander Bay Center because that is where the office of the x-ray company. Complicated, right? If you are not a permanent resident, if you are not a citizen, you don't have Medicare here in Australia. You need to have your own private health insurance. In my case, before coming here in Australia, my agency already managed to, to provide a health insurance for me. And then when I come here in Australia, I start to pay like $109 every month. I remember I was sick one time when I was in Sydney, and I went to the clinic of Bupa, and they just reimbursed like 50% something of the money that I spent in the clinic. Oh, look at this. There's one guy, he's with a bicycle and looks like traveling. Really nice. I like. Amazing. Yeah, there is something like a giant lizard, a big lizards in there, and they're trying to feed them the lizard and run away. Oh, and there is another one here. If you can see that in there, yeah, it's big. And there is another one on that side. That one is much bigger than compared to this one. I think this is the same, or maybe that's the other one that I saw somewhere there going up in the tree and hide in the hole. Okay, so we're just going to stay here for a little bit. Yeah, there are family there, and there are more people on that side. Yeah, just hanging. I don't know what they do. They're just relaxing. Yeah, a lot of kids on that side. Family, they are swimming, and I will be just here with my bike. There is actually a nice spot here to sit. Yeah. So this is going to be my view.